can't see in the morning because my eyes are so bad. It's about 9 a.m. right now. This is pretty early for me. I'm like not much of a morning person, so 9 a.m. is where I'm improving. Like this is really good. And on a really good day, I'll wake up at like 8. Now that's a special day if I wake up on 8. Let's go get ready.
Let's go see it right now.
Sunscreen is really important. Hey.
Yeah, there is. So the email details need to which next request.
Submitted like they wanted it going on. Like, if you guys can turn after a call, just do stay down there.
There's 5 on this pad that says benefit of 5.
Play now, right?
Don't think so.
You can log into the website and
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this. Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne. Don't like all this distance.
I just cleaned up my desk. This is my once every few month desk cleanup because I couldn't stand it anymore. I really want to just redo this space, but there hasn't been any time, so this is what we're working with at the moment, which I think it's okay. You know, it's clean. It's not that cute, but it's clean, which is the most important part. So I'm about to fulfill some orders for my small business, The Plan brand. If you guys didn't know, I run a small business, The Plan brand, and yeah, I have to fulfill these orders today. So I'm gonna go through these now with you guys. Today's Monday, and I like to do my orders first thing on a Monday because, or at least almost first thing on a Monday. My desk was kind of dirty, so I'm gonna print and pack these with you guys.
I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
this is the count.
I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline.
Give that number a call and go through resolving your Deloitte Connect issue and go through.
I don't really have access to anything, honestly.
Yeah, so go through Deloitte Connect, go through. If they still, if you don't understand what the fuck they're saying, let me know because I'll have to. It's not good that our IT team is so slow because it's not your fault. Like it's obviously their. Like the complete journal was like from period.
재밌다는 얘기가 몇 번 하는지 모르겠다. 뭔가
Look how long these chopsticks are, guys. Taste test of my noodles. I think I poured too much peppercorn though, but Clint was like, why don't you make stuff like this for me? But I swear I make this all the time for you, babe.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I
No, you didn't. Mmm, sounds delicious. Mmm, wait, is this a sausage we got from Aldi?
Eating all of my food now.
Hmm?
Save some for me.
No, let's try it out.
Hi.
Hi. I was gonna grab your cup.
Wow, look at that. We have char fries and steak.
Mmm. That's the taste good. I cut it very thinly.
So Clint's mom just bought a cat and we're gonna go pick it up for his mom. I've never like interacted, no, I've interacted with cats, but I literally don't know how to like handle one. Like I don't know how you play with it, I don't really know how you hold it. But I did some research before anything and yeah, we're gonna go pick it up now. It's so crazy. Literally like they were talking about it for like the past week and we're getting a cat. This is my outfit for today. I was wearing a skirt, but I decided to put on some pants.
Our Christmas cards at home.
Elevator going down.
Guys, we just picked up the cat and like I don't know why I really like the whole way here I was like
cats.
I know, I was like wow, cats are really cute. And I was like on Pinterest. Now I have like a Pinterest page saved full of cats. And anyways, this cat's so cute. Its name's Frodo. Clint didn't really get to play with it because Clint was like checking all the paperwork and stuff, and he was just making sure everything was a-okay.
Oh, someone's calling me.
Oh. His name is Frodo. Hey Frodo. Frodo's like, get me out of here, but we can't yet.
Play some cat music.
Hi. He's just chilling. He's so chill.
I know, he's so chill. I didn't even Photo's here.
I know, he's so chill. He has like literally like, I don't know.
He's very good boy.
Chill vibes, yeah. He's very well behaved.
He's a very good boy. I like him a lot.
Yeah. The previous owners were really lovely as well. They were so kind and they gave Clint and I like everything to pass to his mom. So like the cat litter, all these supplies and everything. They handed everything over, which was so kind of them. So that was amazing. Got some little animal balls. And I also got this. This is temporary. I don't know. We'll figure out what he likes and then we'll get more stuff. This one's for the food.
Yeah, but there's two for the food.
Yeah, this one's for the food.
You said this one's the expensive one.
The expensive one's for the kitty poo thing. This is Frodo. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Frodo's just, I think he's a bit nervous right now. So we're just gonna let him get used to the place and come out in his own time. But he's such a lovely cat. He's so chill. Oh yeah, your phone. Yeah.
Shit. I'm gonna leave him alone. He has to get used to everything first. He has to get used to everything first. I'll leave him alone. Yeah.
Do you want me to move this for you? I'm currently watching Singles Inferno. I've been meaning to watch this only because I've seen on people's grams that it's good and it's everywhere. It's also in top 10 on Netflix, which I feel like means something. So here I am watching it. This is day 2. We're only on episode, I think I'm on episode 5 now. It's really juicy. I'm currently looking at posters for our apartment. I really want to just make over our apartment, make it really cute and comfortable, because I feel like it's not at the actual aesthetic that I want it to be at, and it's because I've been so busy just like doing other things. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna sit down, look at stuff and find some stuff that I want to like set up.